Good afternoon. My name is Jacob Tin. My report today is regarding cloud computing. First is my learning objective. First is what is cloud computing? The history itself. What is the cloud computing provider? Computing use and importance of the cloud computing future and business. First is the history. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the use of network remote servers hosted internet to store, manage and process data in rather than local server and delivery of computing services, database, networking, software over the internet. Before we use during my high school days, I do experience using a floppy disk. Yung parang malaking square, then followed by USB or universal bus, then SD card. Pero ngayon, since nag-innovate ang storage system, is nagkaroon ng cloud computing. Then before, during previous years, yung parang nakakapang years, may mga company like been working in Mail Ocean Park and database assistant, meron kami mga storage na kasi laki siya ng ref. Ang lalaki talaga nila. So we are manually rewiring itself and different to store different data. And kapag yun is nasira, babay na naman back to zero. So here's the history of cloud computing. When the term cloud computing is popularized by Amazon.com, releasing an elastic compute cloud product in 2006. The phrase of cloud computing is from the way back to 1996, as first known as mention of Comca International The history of cloud computing is from the word popularized by Amazon.com way back 2006. It's a word from the word reference cloud computing. It's early in 1996. The symbol of cloud represent not totally the cloud itself. They represent the cloud is equals to internet. So World Wide Web. So from 1977 until 1998, the internet itself they're looking for the standardized. They're looking for the storage itself. So during that time, medyo wala pa masyadong gumagamit ng technology. Through the technology and through the user of technology, so mga IT programmers nag-isip saan nila pwede itago yung data. So they think that during that time is syempre sa mga storage facilities natin like floppy disk, USB, but through the research during 2000, eto na, dito yung pumapasok ng new era. We become a digital era na to, or what they call millennials. So in 2016, in 2000, cloud computing has become into exist. In August 2006, Amazon created a new storage. They substituted Amazon Web Services and introduced the Elastic Compute Cloud or EC2 system. So my staff former working Amazon. So Amazon Web Services is pangalawa lang siya. Si Amazon Web Services yung ginagamit of the users. But the Amazon, meron pa silang isa pang cloud computing na which is sa kanila lang yun. Then, April 2008, si Google, naglabas din siya. Google App Engine in beta. In 2008 also, NASA is Open Nebula. Also cloud computing storage. In the mid of 2008, Ito. So, they gather opportunity for cloud computing. So, mga IT programmers nakaisip ng another business. So, they use to sell the cloud computing space. So, a small businessman can they store their data in the cloud system. And 2008, U.S. National Science Foundation began a cluster. Then, in 2010, kung si Amazon is nag-provide siya ng kanyang cloud computing, syempre si Microsoft hindi rin siya papatalo. So, Microsoft released February 2010, Microsoft Azure. So, kaya ang cloud computing is fully blue, o yung mismong logo niya is cloud, blue. And 2010 is Rocket Space Hosting and NASA jointly launched open source cloud software, initiative known as OpenStack. OpenStack's project intended to help organize offering cloud computing services and running standard hardware. So this is the early tool of NASA Nebula platform, well as the Rocket Space Cloud File platform. So syempre si NASA din is madami din siyang files na kailangan itago. They are research from the outer space, mga data nila. So, nag-launch din sila ng isa pang cloud provider. During 2001, IBM introduced a smart cloud framework, or Smarter Planet. So, this one is kung bakit meron tayong mga smartphone. So, yung storage naman ng bawat phone nito is directly to the cloud itself, created by IBM. In June 7, 2012, Oracle announced the Oracle Cloud. So this cloud offering is poised to be the first provider user to access to the integrated set of IT solution, including the application, platform, and infrastructure layers. So, may parang panibagong introduce na cloud system is Cloud Oracle. In May 2012, also Google Compute the Engine was released a preview before the rollout of general availability in December 2013. So, si Google is nagde-develop na naman siya during May 2012 para may-release niya on the next year by 2013. So nag-develop siya kung ano ba yung mga dapat niyang ilagdag on the cloud computing. So what is a cloud computing provider? Cloud computing services provides a give availability to manage application and services through the global network. For example, is Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. So I give you a short example of two. So isa si Amazon and Azure, created by Microsoft. Amazon is a cloud services from Amazon.com. AWS service can be used to create and deploy any type of application in the cloud. It uses subscription pricing model, pay for what you use. So si Amazon, from A to Z, before si Amazon is parang bookstore. Then may parang siya yung Lazada. Ngayon siya nagbebenta din siya ng cloud space para kung sinong gustong bumili, binibenta niya lang kung magkano yung na-consume niyang space. Then si Azure is a cloud computing services provided by Microsoft. It is used to build, test, and deploy and manage application through the global network and manage Microsoft managed for data centers. So, all we know naman, some of our business is Microsoft provider. So, may mga POS na Microsoft created o Microsoft software. So, yung mga data naman ito is directly pwede nyo i-connect on the Microsoft Azure. Okay? So, why is cloud computing used? Cloud computing used can be for several reasons, or some major reasons listed below. First is pay for what you use. So, mas malaki ang iyong ginamit, mas malaki ang babayaran mo. Mas maliit ang ginamit mo, mas maliit ang babayaran mo. Okay? Then, no server required space. So, syempre may mga offices tayo na kailangan natin ng i-minimize yung space. So, may hindi na natin kailangan ng mga servers natin na malalaki. So, directly into the cloud na. No expert required for hardware and software maintenance. So, another labor cost. Makakatipid tayo dyan. Then, better data security on non-premises environment. So, security of our data. Protection. So, maaaring wala na makorrupt na data. So, yun yung mga problema, paunahin natin problema pag nakakorrupt yung data natin. Then, disaster recovery, easy to available. So, kapag nakorrupt yung data natin, napakadaling i-recover. Highly flexibility resources. So, flexible siya na natin siya ma-avail. Terms can easily collaborate from the widespread location. So, from one computer to another computer in one network, so kaya natin siyang i-access. Then, data can be accessed in anywhere. So, anywhere, anytime, pwede siyang i-access in the internet. As long as internet connection. Doesn't take a long implementation time. So, hindi siya kailangan natin, wala na siyang time limit na pwede siyang i-store. And, pay what for use. So, that's it. Pay what you use. So, ay use ko kung gano'n pala ginamit mo, yun, hindi babayaran mo. So, why is cloud computing important for the business? All the cloud computing resources available to the cloud computing had been proven to offer tremendous benefits of business organization, and revealing those benefits broadly classified into three categories, including efficiency, flexibility, and strategic value. So, why is cloud computing important to business? First is efficiency, flexibility, and strategic value. Efficiency. So, under efficiency, the business operation achieve the following ways to the use of cloud computing: accessibility, cost savings. First is accessibility. Cloud computing facilitates the access of application and data location worldwide from any device of the internet connection. So as I said a while ago, once may internet ka, pwede mo na-access yung data mo anywhere, anytime. So for example, this video can store in cloud computing. So I just give the user and password of the cloud system. So pwede mo siyang i-access anytime, anywhere. Cost savings. It offers a business with a scalable computing resources and enhanced savings that cost, acquire, and maintain them. So, wala na silang maintenance. So, because of some data, like floppy disk kapag nasira, or USB, or yung mga database natin, kapag yun kasi, kailangan natin siyang i-maintain in a good room temperature, other factors pa. Kapag yun hindi natin na-maintain, pwede masira yung data natin. Pero kapag cloud computing, so wala na tayong maintenance na kailangan gawin. And aside of that, paid for an only pay-as-you-go basis. Which means pay only the resources they use. So proving is much cheaper than acquiring resources with their own. So, ikaw ba bibili ka ng isang resources mo or isang storage mo na hindi mo naman nagagamit? So, unlike yung cloud computing ko na nagagamit mo, yun ang babayaran mo. Then, security. So, this one is security is, so, mahihirapan ang i-access, especially hindi siya manisira ng mga virus. Data mo is protected by the client, so private, security. Disaster recovery is the most efficient for the means of small, medium, and even large enterprise to back up and restore their data, application fast and reliable away. So, kapag nawala yung data mo, yung copy mo, pwede mo siyang i-recover ulit. Unlike ng kapag nasa USB, kapag nawala yung USB mo at wala kang copy, hindi mo na siya pwede i-recover. So, mahihirapan ka na doon i-recover. Unlike cloud computing, kahit mawala yung copy mong isa, may another kang backups. Okay? Flexibility. Flexibility is to achieve the following ways of using cloud computing. Scalability is cloud computing is the best option for the business by creating workloads and cloud infrastructure skills depending on the demands of the business. So, dito makikita mo is if your business is on demand or not. Yung workload mo, yung data mo tinatago sa cloud computing. Tool selection is allows the business to select specific and pre-built tools and features that provide a solution tailored to their specific needs. So, ito, makikita mo yung tools na selection mo naman para sa cloud computing mo. Okay. Next is cloud option. It's offered the private cloud, public and hybrid cloud solution with different figure. Organization can choose those options depending on the best service for needed. So, meron tayong private is for the business. Public, which means anyone can be accessed. And hybrid is medyo mahal itong mga this kind of cloud solution eh. So, mga medyo high enterprises na ito nakakabit itong this type of hybrid cloud. So, kapag hybrid, medyo mahirap siyang i-access. For third choice, the business determine their level of control, which as a service option offered by the cloud provider. This option include ASSS, PaaS, and IaaS. So, isang choice mo na kung paano siya i-control yung cloud storage mo. Then, statistic edge. This one is increase the productivity. Cloud service providers acquire and manage underlying cloud infrastructures, enhance the graphic business, focus their energies and their core business operation. So, nakakataas ang productivity ng company. automatic software updates. So this one naman kapag may updates ang system, ikaw ang unang makakakuha. Kasi you are using cloud computing. So on time basis tayo, automatic siyang nag-update. Competitiveness. So businesses that employ the cloud computing are able to maneuver more minimally compared to operate competitors devoted their energies acquiring and maintaining IT resources. So, ikaw, mayroon kang advantage from the other. Kasi, yung iba, gumana ka ng old style of storage. But you are using a cloud computing, so you are more competitive or yung data mo, hindi siya basta nakawala. And in case the collaboration within the capabilities of cloud computing, individuals in different places can collaborate in business project without necessarily having to meet. So this one, yung mga data mo from the previous year can be easy to access in just one click. So makikita mo kung ano pa dapat mo improve and which is the need to stay or not. While cloud computing is in the future, so consider the numerous benefits that the cloud computing offers to your organization. To fair case, make that the cloud computing increase become new normal. Cloud computing is helping the society cope with future problems such as managing big data, cybersecurity, and quality control. In addition to this, the emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence contribute to large technology and many capabilities to become available and services through the cloud computing. So this one is, all we know is medyo bago sa atin ang cloud computing here in the Philippines. But in the US or other country, they become a normal part of their society and their internet world. And cloud computing can be managing a big data, cybersecurity, and quality control. For example, nowadays we are using the microchip of IDs. So magkakaroon tayo ng privacy of data out itself. Madali lang tayo i-trace natin kung nasa yung isang bagay or who is the person that's on of this. So through the cloud computing, imagine mo kung lahat tayo is encoded with this kind of chip. So saan natin siya tatago yung data na yun. So hindi natin kailangan ng many drawers having papers. So this one is a paperless and can control a good quality of data, and using of technology is available na siya in the internet or in market. Then, quantitative technology is capable to mobile devices, integration of automation in the cloud, also bring better and specific industrial activities, which will make a various operation even more streamlined and finite ability cloud computing. So this one already available na yung cloud smartphone. So this one is may mga cloud provider na. Before wala siya kasi before just all the call and text lang mga smart cellphone natin. But right now meron na siyang cloud. And this is the first ending of my report of cloud computing. Thank you.